The AMTIN 410 4-axle inner loader, AMT 4104, is a specialized trailer designed by AMT in Denmark for safely transporting fragile or oversized items, like glass panels and concrete elements. Its 4-axle design ensures excellent load distribution and stability, even under heavy loads. Equipped with an air suspension system, the trailer provides a smooth, controlled ride, reducing vibrations and keeping delicate cargo safe during transport. The low-profile design makes loading and unloading tall or bulky items easy, which is perfect for construction and manufacturing work. Built with a strong, durable frame, it can handle continuous industrial use without compromising its structure. The reliable drum brakes offer consistent stopping power for added safety. For added flexibility, the trailer can be customized with frame extensions to carry longer loads. Combining strength, precision, and smart design, the AMTIN 410 4-axle inner loader delivers efficient, safe, and reliable transport for heavy and delicate cargo, making it an ideal choice for modern industrial operations. Halo Connect i3 Technologies is an advanced tire management solution designed specifically for medium and heavy-duty trucks. It smartly combines automatic tire inflation with real-time tire pressure monitoring to keep fleets running safely and efficiently. The system uses built-in sensors, remote pressure control, customizable alerts, and adjustable inflation settings, allowing fleets to tailor it to their exact needs. Installation is quick and hassle-free, taking less than 5 minutes per wheel, and the unit stays in place even during tire servicing, which helps reduce vehicle downtime. Halo Connect i3 is compatible with flow below wheel covers and herodometers, offering flexibility without adding extra complexity. What sets Halo Connect i3 apart is its fully integrated tire pressure monitoring system, removing the need for separate TPMS devices and making maintenance easier. The Pavelli Special Modular Low-Bed Semi-Trailer is designed for the toughest heavy transport jobs. Its strong modular build lets you adjust the trailer to fit different load sizes and types, making it extremely versatile. Built for durability and stability, it's perfect for moving oversized machinery, construction equipment, and other heavy cargo. Maneuvering is easy thanks to its high-performance hydraulic steering, which allows precise control even in tight spaces. The trailer comes with heavy-duty BPW or SAF axles, giving it the strength to carry extreme loads safely and balanced. Its advanced air suspension with knee movement reduces vibrations, protecting both the trailer and the cargo during transit. The hot-dip galvanized frame ensures excellent corrosion resistance, so the trailer lasts for years. Plus, the extendable loading platform with support tables makes it simple to carry larger loads. With the Pavelli Special Modular Low-Bed Semi-Trailer, you get a reliable, safe, and efficient solution for all demanding heavy transport tasks.
The MTech 3 NPPS MTech 3 NPS low-bed semi-trailer is a powerful and reliable solution built for transporting oversized and heavy industrial cargo. Manufactured in Poland, this 3-axle trailer is specially designed to handle construction machines, large equipment, and other heavy-duty loads with ease. Its strong welded high-strength steel frame provides a solid and durable base, ensuring long-lasting performance even under tough working conditions. The trailer is equipped with premium SAF and Gigant axles, along with a Wabco air braking system, delivering smooth control and dependable stopping power. For better maneuverability, it features a liftable front axle and a steerable rear axle, making it easier to handle tight turns while also reducing tire wear. The loading deck is designed for flexibility, with extendable sides that can reach up to 3 meters wide. The Stone Ridge Side Eye is a cutting-edge blind spot detection system built for trucks, designed to make city driving much safer for fleets, drivers, and everyone on the road. It combines a high-resolution digital camera with a 24 GHz short-range radar to spot pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles in blind spots, giving drivers instant visual and audible alerts. The radar is lightning fast, processing objects in just 300 milliseconds, helping drivers react quickly and avoid accidents. This smart system meets the latest safety standards, including the London Direct Vision rules and German KBA certifications, making it perfect for busy urban areas where regulations are strict. Drivers can customize alerts with warning triangles or red boundary overlays for extra clarity. By merging camera and radar technologies, Side-Eye improves awareness during lane changes, turns, and low-speed maneuvers, reducing risks in tricky situations. The XDS-10i, XDS-10i, is a modern timber bunk built for heavy-duty truck logging operations. It's specially designed to help drivers carry more wood in each trip while keeping the load secure and stable on the road. Made from high-strength steel, the S10i is tough enough for demanding forestry work. Its wide and low bolster design gives you more usable loading space, allowing bigger and heavier loads without sacrificing safety. This means better efficiency and fewer trips, which saves both time and fuel. One of its smartest features is the built-in tensioner system. Instead of using external equipment, the tensioner is integrated directly into the bunk structure. This makes securing logs quicker, easier, and more reliable. It also reduces clutter and makes maintenance simpler thanks to its modular setup. The VS Mont Cromero system is not just one single product, but a smart tarpaulin solution designed for VS Mont trailers and tipper bodies. It combines strong trailer structures with advanced covering technology to keep cargo safe and protected. These tarp systems, such as Galopino, Tarpel, Integro, and Covertruck, are built to make life easier for drivers. Instead of climbing onto the trailer, operators can open and close the cover safely from the ground. This reduces risk, saves time, and improves overall safety on the job. Depending on the setup, the system can be electric or mechanical, allowing quick and effortless operation. This means faster loading and unloading with less downtime. It also helps transport companies follow load securing regulations while keeping materials protected from weather and road conditions. When installed on VS Mont tippers and trailers, the system becomes a practical and flexible solution for carrying bulk materials, pallets, or oversized cargo. Strong body construction combined with durable tarpaulin technology ensures long-lasting performance, better efficiency, and smoother operations in construction, agriculture, and logistics industries.
The Stu 4C carrier trailer from Stu Trailers is built to move up to 4 vehicles safely, efficiently, and with minimal effort. It uses strong S355J2 plus N steel, and the fully galvanized chassis protects against rust and wear, making it reliable even in harsh working conditions. The trailer comes with 2 axles, offering a good balance between load capacity and easy maneuvering on the road. Its air suspension system helps create a smooth, stable ride, which reduces vibration and protects the vehicles being transported. For safety, an advanced electronic braking system provides accurate and controlled braking, especially useful during long-distance hauling. The Combi Max is a modern modular trailer system designed to move extremely heavy and oversized cargo safely and efficiently. What makes it special is its flexible design. Operators can combine different parts like axles, bogies, and deck sections in many ways to create the perfect setup for each job. This means the same system can handle loads ranging from about 50 tons up to 250 tons, making it useful across industries like construction, energy, and infrastructure. The trailer also features advanced suspension and steering technologies, including pendle axles and independent wheel suspension. Dixon Enterprises offers professional truck and trailer washing services from its base in Owings Mills, Maryland, helping commercial fleets stay clean, presentable, and road-ready. With years of hands-on experience, the team works with all kinds of vehicles, including heavy-duty trucks, vans, buses, and construction equipment, delivering a thorough exterior and interior clean every time. They use modern pressure washing technology along with eco-friendly products to remove dirt, grime, and buildup without harming the environment or vehicle surfaces. The Benalu Bulkliner S is a high-capacity aluminum tipper trailer built for transporting bulk materials like sand, gravel, fertilizers, and agricultural products. Designed by Benalu, it combines lightweight construction with strong durability, making it perfect for contractors and fleet operators who need maximum load capacity without extra weight. Its double-skin aluminum body features a unique thickness gradient, providing strength where it's needed most while resisting dents and maintaining its structure over time. The bulk liner S comes in lengths from 9.7 meters to 11.3 meters and capacities ranging from 44 to 64 cubic meters, offering flexibility for different hauling tasks. The aluminum drop chassis increases cargo volume and improves stability, while the wide passage door makes loading and unloading easier. The XDayCom 90 is a cutting-edge timber bunk system designed to make transporting timber safer, faster, and more efficient. With its remote-controlled operation, drivers can secure and release loads quickly without ever leaving the cab. This saves time and keeps them safe from potential accidents during loading and unloading. One of its standout features is automatic retightening. The system adjusts during transport to keep the load perfectly secure, even if the timber shifts or settles. Plus, an integrated safety system with in-cab monitoring keeps the driver informed of any issues in real time, offering peace of mind throughout the journey. The COM 90 also comes with height-adjustable hydraulic stakes. These can be lowered and bound together when the truck is empty, improving aerodynamics and reducing vibrations while driving. By combining safety, efficiency, and environmental awareness, the XDayCom 90 sets a new standard in timber transportation. It's not just about moving timber, it's about doing it smarter, safer, and more sustainably. The KMD 2-3 axle extendable low loader is a heavy-duty trailer built to transport oversized and long equipment safely and efficiently. Perfect for industries like construction, mining, infrastructure, and industrial logistics, it can operate with either 2 or 3 axles depending on the load requirements. Its standout feature is the extendable deck, which lets operators increase the trailer's length to carry large machinery such as excavators, cranes, or structural components. The low bed design keeps cargo close to the ground, improving stability and helping comply with road height regulations. Made from high-strength steel, this trailer is designed to handle continuous heavy use with durability and reliability. The extendable mechanism works smoothly, making loading and unloading equipment quick and easy on any site.